the winter. The weather.
Why go swimming in it?
Why not? It's there. It's like asking why climb a mountain, you know? What's that quote? Because they're there?
Blizzard. Nothing like a blizzard swim.
Well, membership
It's just
and
great.
snow swim.
Why it's great?
And a birthday.
It is. Swimming in the snow is the best ever. Actually, the snow feels warm. And the water's warm. The water's like 37. Out here it's like 24, wind chill 10. It's cold standing out here. I want to get in the water.
Saying why I'm here.
Just telling it like it is.
It's like it's totally not nearly as crazy people make it out to be.
Yeah.
It'll be cold, but hell, people are colder standing on the beach. The water's warmer than the air.
I think so, yeah.
Hey, Maisel's here too! Rockin' and rolling, baby! Long time photography! Alright,
Let's go for a swim! Everybody out!
Hey, water! The big one, feel the numbing feeling already? Oh, absolutely. Yeah. I'll go back in a few minutes. The second dip's always easier than the first. What about those guys? Why are they still in there? Everyone's got their own method. Damn!
Oh, I'm testing this waterproof mascara. Is it working?
No.
Damn.
How'd that feel?
It felt great. It was wonderful. I highly recommend it.
Everybody's out.
How'd that feel, Dana?
Man, I need to get dry.
let's go off the beach! It's called the Twinbee off the beach!
Great.
Sorry to come in.
Why do you do this? Why?
Why?
For the thrill.
The thrill.
The benefit, you know?
How's it feel?
Oh, lovely. Even though I lost my hat, but I mean,
No,
hey,
no, you lost the hat.
I even lost my hat with the way.
I know, I got it too. I was like, oh.
I gotta go home like this now.
It's great. My first snow swim.
Yeah, that's awesome.